Ai, what's going on? I'm going to começar a subscribe aí. Agora subscribe. Problem ya n'wina I ku mi lava ngopfu mnandi. Se tshama kaya hi ta hlangana ti 10. Hi tshikenya na coronavirus leyiwani yi relaxa nyana, hi ta hlangana 10 at the Rest Lodge. So namuntlha na ku ndla list ya the most underrated Xitsonga artist at this stage. And obviously, if I have to start with one, I'm sure the most underrated. You can have a list of underrated music at this stage without mentioning Sol Makam. Sol Makam, so far in a period of 10 years, Sol Makam probably has 25 albums. Sol Makam probably has around 10 stories in the last 10 years. How much of dedication that he has at this game. He's doing movies, he's doing comedy songs, he's doing DC Mutayena Sol Makam, there's HIV, my cancer, he's doing Tama Jojo. Like this guy is but then at the end of the day we don't really appreciate Sol Makam. If it was about appreciation, Sol Makam would be on top of his game. He should be probably the richest artist at this stage. Probably is even one of the most streamed at this stage. I know myself. Sometimes I do upload his music. Upload the rest of the Sol Makam 50k. It's underrated, however, cause event organizers they never invite. Secondly, we don't buy his stuff. Thirdly, I think we want to treat Sol Makam as that kind of a joke because he's a comedian. However, that's not how we should treat him. But anyway, Sol Makam is the most underrated. Social media 25 albums, 10 stories, everything. He's an MC, he's a comedian, he's a vocalist, he's everything. He should be the biggest in the game. When I'm decided, then the second artist lyrically the second artist underrated Oscar Makam. You know, Oscar Makam is very underrated. You know, and you want him to live under the shadow of Umayanda. I don't have a problem with Umayanda, but I think Oscar Makam came with a style which we can specifically say in Elia. Oscar Makam is unique. It's not a copycat of Matsobe Muda, but then in Avanu askota kubula ko hayi she said Oscar Makam she never shared the new age Matsobe Muda. How? Because of his songwriting, the way I section marito, and I think magato Oscar Makam utsamatuta the new age Matsobe Muda. I think magato Oscar Makam kufana na mayenda wazama kula kwembele kufana Matsobe Muda, but because of their creativity brings us back to one place, the way they write their songs. So number 3, Dingan David Mateo. This guy is the new age best storyteller. I remember Narrative it was January. Usually I think it's Dingan because I felt like Dingani, Exxon, whatsoever, they were too deep for myself. However, Narrative this January or something. Nganga whatsoever, Dingan David Mateo, whatever Nganga. So you know the story. So this guy is the best storyteller at this stage. I'm just telling a story. Kuna yimonyani na yone balabula isesi angarandana munhu anga dama na yena munhu lo asikhuluma wamisana bayaphakeni mara sesanga sitivi siafukanya nyuka awula sisayisela mwenye leandre. The story is creative direct enja ku na mina tani uzakutala mina. Oh come on guys. Then number 4, who's underrated? Mr. Pose is underrated. You know, at this stage we're still treating Mr. Pose as Shadu Yabin Mangan. Mr. Pose has proven that he's above that. Mr. Pose, the songwriting, I want to do the video songwriting. It was criticizing Gallant of Blood, and I think no one knew Mr. Pose man. Mama Yila utafela sona. The reason why Bena Pesungurungu because Mr. Pose was literally trying to beef Benny through his mother's name. One welcome me. The one that's on deck. Ako hangoti nok mama mailo. Hey, me. So Mr. Post, kota ku refera ka tsimta Ben Mayengani, isahla mama ila uyibona ingozi. Isahla afika jika la kuta jika camera. Set komba man, set komba yena. That guy is one of the best writers. That best writer is also munhu wa tsala xilo xi va deeply raro na vanhu van'wanyana va tlhela va nga swi twisisi munhu a ta cina ku mama yile u yi vone nghozi loko beni xibasi ngori ku swi lava ku pfuka vanhu ku ve va xi pfukini name dropping. So Mr. Boz is that kind of an artist. He bridge. Remember that thing loko va tshuka va va nyike xikarhani ako n'wana boti n'wi xanisini nyano va nga sungula va ni tsema hi banga va jika futhi va ni tsema xikun'wana va hetelela whatsoever happened there is one of the best. But then we underrate him because we treat him as something which is under the shadow of Benga. Then number 5 is Simon Free. You know, you underrate this guy. Some are gonna say because I listen to his music or ever. I'm gonna end up with foreign love with songa rap, songa hip hop, whatever you call it, Simon because of his creativity. So say like even his latest album, Masasani, Mabo Ele Patin. The Legs of War, which is Miss Original, is underrated. I think Simon Free in terms of quality of sound, quality of lyrics, quality of everything is there the same line of Mr. Bao. I repeat, Simon Free quality of sound, quality of lyric, quality of style, same line of Mr. Bao. But then when we're not, because you don't love to see South Africans grow, you don't want to see Mundo you stock or whatsoever, Okula. You don't suppose such music. I'm trying to get chance but Simon blind. But then this is my list. Number 1, Sol Makamu. Number 2, Oscar Makamu. Number 3, Dingani. Number 4, Mr. Post. Number 5, it's Simon Free. These are the most underrated. And as for me, I shall live to push their art. And can see look one boni lots on hina as usual. Milan Karanga. And then when the man went to Nuncolata interview, Yoko Menu, Mokwe, Minaman, and everything, what the Kotakuntivana. When the time is right, it has end the session. I don't know if you got 10,000 subscribers, subscribe Angola. And I think you look it we're too close, probably by the end of April, if I think, and I will do that video. I can see.